Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to change your battery on a Chevy Cruze. Alright, the new shape. It's a 2017. So I know the window is down and the door is open, right? But your battery dies, so the window's up, you come to your car, the battery died, door locked. You want to get under here with your key and take that off right there. Then you want to twist the key in here to unlock the door. Okay, so now you want to open the hood. You want to pull on this 2 times and the hood's gonna open. Then you want to go ahead and walk all the way to the front and lift up. Alright, so now over here, right here, you would have their negative terminal right here, and over here we would pop this up right here and expose your positive terminal. So you would put positive right here and negative over here to put current to the car or jump the car. And then after you put power to the car, right, you want to come open your door, press the button to unlock your trunk, because the battery is in the trunk on this model. Lift it up, take out the trunk mat on the car, and the battery is right here. Alright, and you want to take off the battery terminal. So start by taking off the negative terminal, which is going to be 10 millimeter, and then you're going to take this off or flop it up and take the positive terminal off. And over here you have that screwed on there. That is to take off take out the battery. That's what holding the battery in place. Alright, so you want to start by removing the negative cable, 10 millimeter. And guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Help me help you. Alright, let's put this down here, and you can also remove this this thing for the vent on the battery. You want to remove the positive cable also as well. Positive cable. Alright, so now you want to get this piece that's down there. Alright, and guys, go ahead and give a thumbs up if I help you. Alright, so down there is your 13 millimeter. Alright, take it off. You want to hold the battery and lift it up. Hey, so you want to get your new battery. Make sure you line up the positive with the positive, negative with the negative, and put it in. Alright, you also want to get your thing for the vent, for the battery vent. Put that in too. Alright, and you want to put on your nut, your terminal. You want to get your screw and put it back, your nut, and put it back on this right here. Your studs down. But before you put your nut, I almost forget. You want to put this piece first. Alright, so these part they go to the back, so you want to put it on like this, not like this. All right, put it on like this. Battery is there. Go down in the hole, line it up like that. Get your nut, 13mm. Tighten that up. Get your positive. Don't make the touch. Get your positive. Touch that on right there. Get your positive on. Get your negative. You probably like do a little sparks or something, but it's okay because it sparks because you have the trunk open and the trunk light is on, so it's getting current. So that's why. Yeah. Tighten that up. Tighten both of them up. Make sure it's all nice and tight. And also, you want to put that black piece back on your battery, like that. Cover it down, lock it down, get your tools, and then you want to put back your chunk mat. Alright. Alright guys, that's how you do that. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Help me help you. Go ahead and leave a small donation. And I'll leave the link in the description to where you can donate. You can go ahead and crank your car up for me, alright? Thank you guys. See you next time.